stuck on the plane now for about 3 hours. Don't really know what's happening. I think there's a storm or something over the top, or some bad weather conditions over the top of Germany or something like that. So yeah, just can't take off, but we've been sitting here for ages now. Still sitting here, but they've told us we're going to go now. Got some snacks as well. Complimentary. Morning guys, it's the next day now. We finally made it. It took 6 hours to get to Greece. Check our little terrace out. So amazing. And we've got this really cool view as well. So this is Nos Bay. We're going to be staying here for the week. And yeah, just loving it so far. Clear blue sky. It's not too hot either. It's just a nice temperature. Hot tub. It's a bit hot for that though. Maybe in the evening. So if you remember last year we went to Santorini, which is one of the other Greek islands, and we were looking, well, we decided we liked it so much that we'd like to explore some of the other Greek islands, so that's why we came to Mykonos. Got caught up in some kind of, I don't know, is it like a cruise or something? Some boat has come in and hundreds of people have come off. Is that a flamingo?
It's not a flamingo, is it?
Pelican.
It's like a pelican.
Guys, check this out, this is proper random. Look. It's like a pelican, isn't it? What on earth is that doing on the street corner? Just the normal thing you see in Mykonos on a daily basis.
I don't even know what it was. You said it was a flamingo. It's definitely not a flamingo.
We're having a rerun of Norway now. When I said that an otter was a seal.
The pelican, guys! Guys, the pelican! I cannot believe it. The pelican! Take your pictures with me to the right. Wait.
The pelican's drawing a crowd. Seems like there's a storm coming. We're actually, well, we're alright because we're underneath this bit that is now closing. Quick! Look at these clouds. It's insane. Guys, check this view out. Amazing. So we just spent a bit of time at the at that beach down there. These roads are crazy. They literally go down like. Look at that, and it just winds all the way down. I was thinking I was going to have trouble actually getting back up in this little car because it's an automatic, but it's got a really small engine and it seems to struggle. Morning guys. So last night was quite interesting. All night the power was turning off, and it kind of kept resetting and stuff. It was really weird, but it's funny because I noticed that you see these like overhead power lines. When we were walking back last night, it was in the pitch black, and you could see it like arcing. So I think like generally there is sort of problems here on this sort of island with power supplies, as there are in a lot of these sort of places, because they're quite obviously remote and they rely on all these overhead power lines, and it's pretty windy here as well. But yeah, the power keeps turning off, and it's like it was happening at breakfast, like the lights were going off. And I think we saw the manager at reception, and I sort of mentioned it, like, you know, not in a big deal sort of way, and he was like, yeah, we've got a generator that flips in and sort of takes over the power to But I mean, it doesn't work at all like that. It just literally turns off, and then probably 5 seconds later it kind of turns back on. Anyway, we're heading off again, a bit more exploring, got a few things to look at today, so yeah. How blue this water is, it's insane. So we just walked up there and asked how much the sunbeds were, and they were like 120 euros for 2. And then we come to this side of the beach and got these 2 for 25 for 2. So it's a pretty long flight. I've still got 40% left as well. Just shows you when the batteries are warm, like in these warm conditions, they actually perform a lot better. It's a pretty chilled out day today, just back in the town of Mykonos. So we just had a little bite to eat, guys, just having a little chilled out walk around here. We were going to go and check out this windmill, which is like a really good place to sort of catch a sunset tonight, but haven't really kind of managed to do it. So we just brought into this shop, just getting some little presents. Starting the day the right way today. Can't tell you how good the food is in that, how good it is in that place. It is really, really nice. Anyway, we're going to check out some more, go exploring again, check out some more beaches. And we need to find some fuel though first.
Sir, you pay cash card?
Card please.
30 euro for 5 euro for me, 35. Ah, no. Sir, thank you so much.
Thanks very much. Thank you. Bye. Just continuing our explorations, we come across this beach, which looks pretty cool. This scenery is unbelievable. There's all these kind of like big rocks with like all the buildings and stuff, little houses on the edge. This is like really like Santorini, this, but look how blue that sea is as well. It's crazy. I'm tempted to get the drone out, but it's super windy, and I don't know, I'm just going to end up with so much drone footage, I think. I'm not going to be able to edit it all together. Just at a beach now, which is quite near the end of the runway, so it's pretty cool. Check this screen out, guys. It's a little bit later now. I'm gonna go and check out this this lighthouse, which is, well, I was gonna say it's on the edge of a really big rock, but it's kind of where lighthouses are. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go and check this lighthouse out. I don't even know what I'm saying. Anyway, we're gonna go and check this lighthouse out, and yeah, should be interesting. These roads are getting interesting now, heading up into the mountains or something like that. Alright, we're getting here. It is seriously dodgy. We're gonna have to come back in the dark on these roads if we stay till like sundown. But this car is struggling to get up these hills though. Seriously windy out there. I was going to get the drone out I think I still will, but it is properly windy. I don't know how it will cope. Alright, wish me luck.
Just a little bit windy.
Guys, check this. This is how bad the wind is. Watch this. Go on, little guy. You've got to have it in sport mode. If I don't have it in sport mode, it won't. There's no way it will fly. Right, that was crazy. It's so windy out there. I can't even believe they actually coped with that. But I was trying to get in front of it and I just couldn't get past the side of it because you're just literally against that wind. And then I kind of done like a bit where I came back. I got such a good shot coming back, but the wind was just blowing and blowing. I didn't realise how far I'd went, and I'd gone like literally right over there somewhere, and then I had to obviously power back with like about 30% battery. So anyway, I hope the shots are good. Alright guys, it feels really calm here now, because I suppose because of the lighthouse is like sheltering us, but say us, but see us over there. It's crazy, it's definitely one of the best views on the island, I think. What do you reckon? Oh, we're just going to grab a bite to eat now. Found this little pizza place. Right, I'm officially well too full up now. Way too much pizza was eaten. So, I'm going to call it a night. See you tomorrow. Twizzy would be perfect down here. Morning guys, so it's the last day today. Just it's actually a couple of days later because we've just been chilling at the beach and stuff, so I haven't been vlogging a lot. So we're just getting some final Instagrams. Back at the room. I haven't done a little room tour yet actually, so I'll show you the room. So you come in, you've got a shower, got a nice sink there. This TV's pretty cool. It's got like, I don't know, I think they said you can play music or something. It's got like a little iPad thing, Sarah's makeup. Beds, and then the money shot is definitely the balcony. Nice hot tub, I've showed you that before, but it's so hot today, I think because the sun's been on it all day. They seem to have their hot tubs up really high. Last time when we were in Santorini, they actually turned it down because it was just too hot. But then you've got this just epic view over here as well. Really tempted to get the drone out and just fly it right over there. Lobby. Steps down to the restaurant area and the pool. And then there's this little bit at the top which is really good. I won't go up there because there's loads of people up there, but it's basically like an infinity pool up there, just off the edge. It's the last night. Guys, check that pool out. I just didn't even realise it was a pool when I was coming down the stairs. This place is insane. They've even got their own helipad, which is like there somewhere. don't know if you can see this guy here, but just try and zoom in. I don't know where he swam from, but he's like midway between these yachts and the rocks over there. I'm guessing he's going to go over here somewhere and then take a breather and swim back. It's getting closer. This guy is hardcore. He's swimming back. I don't think he's even stopped. He's just literally going back. It's time to go home. And we are back, guys. Wicked time in Mykonos. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Tried to cram in loads of stuff, even though I didn't vlog every day, but hopefully you've enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm midway through editing it at the moment, so it's looking good so far. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, so if you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe for more like this and more of the other stuff that I've been doing on the channel. Go check out the other videos. Follow me on Instagram as well. There's loads of stuff on there, all the shots and stuff, all the pictures that I've been taking whilst we've been away. They're all on there, so you can see all the different places if you're interested in ever visiting Mykonos or any of the other Greek islands or any of the other places we've been for that matter. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys.